Okay. Today I'm going to present a session on Inscribe.ai, which is an AI tool which we are using in my project. Um, uh, yeah, let me get into the presentation. So in general, financial institutions like banking, insurance, and stock markets, um, um, uh, most of the requirement that they have is risk data availability. They want data to be immediately available, so that uh, yeah, that's a requirement that they have, and quality and timeliness, which is important for any organization. This AI powered tools actually helps in looking into the all these risk data and give us a quick decisions, and um, yeah, which helps in simplifying decision making, um, minimize uncertainty, and reduce costs. So that's overall requirement for any financial institution. And as of now, I'm going to concentrate on Inscribe.ai, which is mainly used in verifying documents and presenting a credit scores, um, which can be used to make decisions um, in our project. Right now, we are an insurance domain project, and we do have um, document verification process in which the Inscribe.ai is used. So basically, what happens is in Inscribe.ai, um, we um, uh, I mean we have insurance agents who work on behalf of customers. So what they basically do is they create customer information. They upload all the documents presented by the customers. Um, and what Inscribe does is it will identify the customer. It will collect all the information, and it actually collects the information which is present in the documents which has been uploaded, and it will makes it will make a trust score on the data which is present within the documents, which is useful in fraud detection, credit insights, and also decision making. Now, let me get into the next slide. So this is how Inscribe.ai works. Um, so from the web browser, what the agents does is they upload all the documents on behalf of the customers. So it gets into the Inscribe.ai portal, and the Inscribe.ai analyzes the documents. It reads all the information which is present, and it gives credits, the trust score, which can be used within our application logic to arrive at a status on the documents. And yeah, the Inscribe.ai, let me show you the portal that we are using. So this is the portal that we are using. So basically, for each and every customer, we have a specific folder. And let me take this Learnathon example customer. So here we have two documents uploaded. One is an original document, the other one is not an original one. So I'm going into the original document. These statements have already been uploaded from the insurance portal that we had. Once the document has been uploaded, it will read all the information, and it will show the past information. And in case of any issues that the documents has, it will get listed here. So right now, there's only one issue, which is we are using this document for multiple times for our testing purposes, but otherwise this is a genuine document, and mostly the trust score will be above 80 is the best one. So right now, since we are using it for multiple times, it shows like credit score 8. So yeah, this is the original document. Let me show you the not original document. So here it will pass the information, and it will also signal the suspicions, like the validity of the document, the fingerprint which is present in the document. So this information actually contribute for getting into the trust score. So all this information will get written once the document is uploaded to the client. So let me get back here. So Inscribe.ai returns the trust score to the web browser so that the web browser can decide, can make decisions. There's one more thing. There is a manual override available for all the documents uploaded. I would like to show it here. For each and every documents, or the customer itself, there is a status for the customer. So here, even if the document, if it has a credit score which is not at to the par, it is still possible to upload the documents. So once it is uploaded, since it is a manual approval, it won't get back to the client. But there is a concept called webhooks, using which the status will get indicated to the web server. That way, the status of the documents gets updated, and it will get reflected in the client. So that's how Inscribe.ai works. And so that's this session. I have also added references. Otherwise, thank you. Do you have any questions?